Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to download DeepSeek AI and problem with OTP when creating account in iOS and Android. It is much faster and gives detailed answer than ChatGPT, so without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to App Store or Play Store and in the search bar type DeepSeek AI. And you will need to tap on this one because it has many reviews, so it is legit. Once downloaded, simply open it and you can either create account, but if you are facing OTP problem when creating account, the first thing is maybe your internet is slow, otherwise just continue with Google and you will be able to use DeepSeek AI without any problem. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on DeepSeek AI. Thanks for watching.